Dear students, welcome to Digital Learning. We are studying the subject auditing of 6th semester BBA of Mangalore University, and we are now in third session, third chapter, third unit, session 3. We have in the last session we have studied in the first session we have studied the meaning and definition of watching, and in the second session we have studied the features of watching. And now in today's session I will be discussing with you objectives of watching. What is the objective? What are the objectives of watching? Why should we do the watching? See, there are different points under which we can explain the objectives of watching. The first objective is, the principal objective of watching is to ensure that the transactions as recorded in the books of account are acceptable, genuine, properly authorized, and correctly recorded. See, different points are there. Whatever transactions are recorded in the books of account, it should be acceptable. It should be acceptable. It should be genuine and properly authorized and correctly recorded. Everything, all these points should be cleared there. So the acceptable ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಂಗೀಕೃತವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. It should have it should be acceptable by the company, by the stakeholders. It should be genuine one. There is no false, there is nothing false in this one. It is not a fraud. It is not an error also. It is properly authorized. The authorized person have approved it. The transaction is an approved transaction. Sometimes big amount, transactions of purchase of the big amount or sale of the existing fixed assets. Such type of the things may require the authorization from the management, from the authorized persons, can correctly record it. So it is acceptable, it is genuine, it is properly authorized, but if there is an error in the recording itself, it should also be checked. Then watching. That is one of the principal objective of the watching. Second objective is to ensure that all the entries made in the books are supported by necessary documentary evidence. So everything, it is acceptable, okay, it is genuine, it is recorded properly, everything is okay, but there is no document. Then all these things have become false, or all the points I told in the first objective are falsified, because there is no documentary evidence. It is not written documentary evidence. It is not oral, or it is not a evidence by word of mouth. We require the evidence in written form. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬಂದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹೌದಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. No, such evidence is not accepted in books of accounts. In auditing, we require the documentary evidences. It should be documentary evidences. For purchase, we need purchase bill, purchase invoice. For sale, we need the sales invoice. For amount paid, we need payment vouchers, or through the bank. If it is the payment through the bank, whatever bank document we have, maybe passbook, statement of account, or any other document. So that is, it should be supported. Each and every transactions which are entered in the books of account should be supported by documentary evidence. Documentary evidence is inevitable. It cannot be avoided at all in books of account. Means if you have a documentary evidence, record in the books of account. Otherwise, you cannot do it. Next, third one is to see that transaction have actually taken place. So the auditors, it is one of the objective of the audit watching is, one of the objective of watching is to see that transaction have taken place. So what auditor should do while watching? He should see the documentary evidence, and he should confirm that this documentary evidence relates to this business, and this documentary evidence should prove that actually the transaction have taken place. Transaction ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಅದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It should have taken place and it should be proved. ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಏನು? ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟರಿ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ objective, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, fourth one, to verify the authority and authenticity of every transaction. So each and every transaction should be authoritative and authentic. It should be authoritative and authentic. ಅದು ಅಥಾರಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಥೆಂಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Somebody having the authority should have approved it, and he should have the authority to approve it. That is also important. Anybody cannot approve a transaction. The person who is approving should have the authority. Each and every transaction should be authorized and authentic. And another objective, fifth objective of watching is to see that all the transactions connected with the business have been recorded in the proper books of accounts. Whatever may be the transaction, it should have been recorded in the appropriate books of account. So here different points are there in this one. One thing is that, and one of the objective here is to see that all the transactions connected with the business. So whatever transactions we are recording, it should be connected with the business. With the transactions which are not connected with your business should not come in books of account. Have been recorded in the books of account. So another point is all the business transactions which are related to your business, your client's business, have been recorded in the books of account, and it should be in the proper books of account. Andre ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, it should not be left out. It should be recorded, and it should be recorded in the proper books of account, appropriate books of account. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೆದಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಬೇರೆ ಬುಕ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್, ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, another point, another objective, to ensure that no transaction which is not connected with the business have been recorded in the books of account. This is another important objective. When we are recording in the books of account, you should see that no other transactions which are having no connection with your business have crept into the books of account. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರದೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರದೋ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಸೇಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಬಾರ್ದು. Somebody else have purchased, some other company have purchased, but the bill has been sent to you and you did not check it, you have recorded it. It should not happen. Means you have paid the electricity bill, you have paid the telephone bill, or you have paid something else, but it is not related to your business, it is somebody else's bill. It should not happen. It should be found out. Coaching should catch all these things. It should such type of errors should be caught. Okay, next, seventh one, detection of errors and frauds. So here we have studied in detail, when we studied the objectives of auditing itself, what is fraud, what is error. There are different types of errors, isn't it? Errors of omission, errors of commission, errors of principal, counter errors. Mainly 4 types. Any type of such type of errors should be caught here. See, we know that when there is an error, if there is an error, if it is not compensating one with another, ಒಂದು ಎರರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎರರ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Some of the errors you cannot find out while preparing the trial balance also. Such type of error, and even those counter errors should be, and counter or whatever may be the type of the error, it should be caught in the process of watching. Watching ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎರರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 10,000 ಇರುವುದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 1 lakh ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ. We should find out it during the watching. In the bill it is 1 lakh, but in the books of account it is 10,000. In the bill it is 10,000, but in the books of account it is 1 lakh. Reverse. It may happen anything. 586 may be written as 685. 586 may be written as 568. Some such type of errors may be there. Sometimes it may be fraud. It is not unintentional. It is intentionally committed. Mistakes. It is not a mistake. It is a fraud itself. ಉದ್ದೇಶಪೂರ್ವಕ ಮನಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರಬಹುದು, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So next, last objective is to see that no fraudulent transactions are recorded. Books of account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ವಂಚನಾತ್ಮಕ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. Frauds should be caught. If there is a fraud and it is found in the books of account, it should be caught during the watching process. Okay, these are the different objectives of the watching. I have some questions here to be answered. So I will be giving, I will not be sharing the answer for these questions. So you have to find out the answer yourself. When you listen to the class properly, you can understand the answer for all these questions. Okay. So we have in this problem 3 questions. Let us go by the questions. First question, the principal objective of watching is to ensure that transactions as recorded in the books of account are acceptable, genuine, properly authorized and correctly recorded. All of the above. Second question, one of the objectives of the watching is to ensure that all the entries made in the books are supported by documentary evidence, not supported by documentary evidence, supported by oral documents, or none of the above. Third question, which of the following is the objective of the watching? To see whether any transaction is left to be recorded, to see that transactions has actually taken place, to see that no fraudulent transactions are recorded, all of the above. So these are the questions. You answer these questions. Okay, thank you for listening to the class.